Yeah, I want to try to find a cave of some kind, just in case these spiders have a den somewhere. Ridgefire Chasm. Why are you here? Level 11? You are way too low level for Ridgefire Chasm. I think that starts at like 15 or something. Or even 16. Like, the hell? Ooh, yeah, I was like, that's a special name. That name's not the same length as the other ones. That means we definitely have to go kill him. Ooh, that's gonna take aggro. I was like, what am I doing? Oh, my guy could use a little break from being beaten on. Alright, since he moved away. Yeah, my guy can take him. There we go. It's like, why is he not fighting him? And then fear him. Now we'll focus this one now. There we go. You got it, Bellows. Just hang in there.
I need to get closer.
Yeah, there should be no way that Bellows takes aggro from me, even with his taunt, so we're fine to kill that one without my buddy dying. Anything here? Ooh, of healing. Well, it's better armor than mine. I don't use healing spells, necessarily, but it's better armor than mine. Ooh. That's bad. That's nasty. Probably gonna need some healing. Oof. It's really nasty. Hey, we're almost level 12. We got a bunch of quests turned in, so that should get us really close to 33. Oh, it's 22 for 10 seconds. For some reason, I thought it was every 10 seconds. I don't know why I thought that. I wish I could remove the poison from his veins, but I cannot. But we got a nice item out of it. And some good experience, so... Sorry, man. It was definitely worth it. I'm not gonna lie to you. But you'll be fine. I don't know how long it lasts, but you'll be fine. It's only 22 damage. It's on top of the other poison you might receive. Yeah, I don't think they have a den over here. Yeah, he still got that poison on him. That shit's nasty, man. I think we take this next one while he takes a break. Because they have to get to me and hit me before he's going to do anything to respond to it. That's not good. Now he's going to attack. Oh, the poison's off on me. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of this here. Perfect. Alright, Bella should be fine to heal back up. These spiders ain't shit. They can't do anything. And that's awesome. Because we're awesome. That's what it's like. Alright, awesome. Got two nice things here, really. Intellect, spirit, and offhand. Makes me sad. Okay, so we need to head back to Bril. And I absolutely would. Yeah, the camp for some of these. Yeah, absolutely would do that. I would go back to the camp, but or Hearth, but we don't have either of those options because the camps. Actually, the camp we can go to on the way there, so let's actually do that. If we jump, put this guy on passive and jump down that path, we should be fine. And us coming through. Oh, that swing and a miss. It's rude of you to be doing that. I don't have an instant fear, so I don't really want to stand around and cast it. We'll take the hits and just run our little happy ass out of here. It's fine, we can take it. We can take it. I'm not scared of shit. The bulwark is under attack. Who dares to attack our bulwark? We have a health stone if we need it. I'm not worried at all. There we go. This is the path we want to follow. I'll need it. I'll do just a little bit. Get a little too hot. Gonna open up my robe. And yes, I am clothed up in my robe, just in case you were wondering. I'm not having one of them days, you know. 150. Yeah. Alright, and just one bar here. We get to experience that 0.8. See if that 0.8 is sexy or not. And I think the 0.8 is going to be where the sexy is. Oof, yeah, yo, high level. One day I'll be like you, just without the resurrection sickness, hopefully. I don't know how you got that red sickness on you. Well, obviously, you know, I don't know what killed you, but yeah, sorry for your loss. But yeah, this is kind of nice for the 0.8 seconds. The 0.4, because now I can get 4% chance for reduction, 4% reduction chance for enemies to resist my affliction spells, which will be very nice. Though I think my affliction spells are only corruption and curse of agony, so it's not going to help immolation at all, because that's not an affliction spell. Even though it is a dot spell, it's not an affliction spell, so that's fine. Accept that. I got stuff for you.
I haven't got all day.
You can, you technically do, but just like, whatever. I'll take one quest from you. That's not really 100% worth, but fine. Alright. 0.8 cast. We need to test this bad boy out on something. Over here, I think we're gonna get improved drain soul, improved life tap course, and improved drain life. Yeah, it's not a lot at this point. Yeah, it would be like 2.6, but you know, it's not bad. Alright, I gotta test out the ability here. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. That's alright. You know, I'll accept that. Oh, he's on passive. Yeah. I do have to wait a slight delay. Like, just like as I mentioned, like 0.1, 0.2 second delay before casting the other one. But that, you know, I can live with that. Like that's not a big deal. That I can live with. Create 2 more of these. My bags. Put that up there. We got a lot of shit to sell. I love it.
What would you ask of death?
Tap that. Tap that ass. Get this person their poison back.
I'm listening.
Clapping.
Beware the living.
Ah, yes, the mountaineer. Bug ridden. That's an interesting name. This is the second person of the offline guild that I've seen. They seem to be questing around here a lot.
What is it?
I guess seeing them at level 12 with a Voidwalker doesn't mean that they got the Voidwalker at level 12. Now that I'm thinking about that past statement of mine. They could have easily gotten at 10. It just happened to be. Yeah. So, yeah. Kind of doesn't really make sense now that I think about it. Whoops. Alright, you know, I don't know if we'll hit 13. I definitely don't think we'll hit 14. But that's okay. I mean, we're 12, so that's a great start. You know, that's definitely a great start. I don't know. After he saw us kill his friend, I don't know why he thought that would be any different. Like, like why we wouldn't be fucking with him, you know? But to each their own, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I don't. Oh no, ball spider leg. We don't need those. Yeah, no. This won't help us with cooking at all. So just ignore those for now.
I have exactly what you need.
Ooh, 5 silver. Most of this money's gonna go away. We should keep that, but that's okay. Yeah, that's just how the game goes. Nice, 55 silver.
Watch your back.
Equip that.
I am
Sell
forsaken.
that.
Remember.
Alright, let's go get our new spells and whatnot. We don't really need to get anything for our other demons yet, just because it's just too expensive. So if there's nothing for this homie, which I'm pretty positive there isn't. It's 14. Phase shift. Yeah, we could get phase shift, but no reason to do that yet. 6 silver's a little pricey.
Dark lady,
Oh god, what the fuck was that?
I'm listening.
Alright, curse weakness. Also do not really need. That is affliction, that makes me sad, but that's not affliction spell. Yep, drain life is level 14. Demonology is going to be the health funnel. Yep, and there it is. Alright, Soulstone's at 18. Oh, that's demonology again. Shadow Bolt rank 3, I'll take it. Alright, there's just really no reason to get Curse of Weakness. For just 3 less damage. Really not gonna make a difference. But with that being said, we might get phase shift. Yeah, I'll probably just get phase shift.
Our time.
That's not bad. That's fine. I have to have the I have to summon and summon. That's alright. It doesn't take a lot to get a soulstone back. Hi, buddy. Welcome back. Yeah, it's phase shift, brother. Shift the imp out of phase with the world, making it unattackable unless it attacks. Ah. Well, it's decent. I don't know. It's whatever. There. Immediately gone as we summon back our Voidwalker. Alright, so we're going to go back up to the family crypt. Where is this person? Past fails rest. A ruthless commander named Captain Melrach. I don't know. This evil crew. Hold on, get up there. Dangerous mission. Has 2 bodyguards. In the name of the Dark Lady. Raiding the ruined tower of northern Tears Fall past Fail's Rest. So I'm guessing up here. Near the Scarlet Monastery. So yeah, I think we're going to go do the family crypt. And then after that we'll probably take a slight break. Or I'll take a slight break. To refill my cup of water. maybe the T, not 100% sure. Go turn that into the Undercity and probably work on my tailoring and cooking a little bit more. With all the bolts I have and stuff, go learn buy some new patterns with all my monies. And then we'll maybe meet back later because my throat's actually been doing just fine. So I've been enjoying my time recording, and I think I'm gonna continue at least a little bit more. Not sure how much longer, but at least a little bit more. But yeah, I'm having a good time. I really do enjoy this game, especially at the lower levels where there's more quests just readily available. I really do enjoy playing this game. Passive. Thank you. It's a good time. I'm having a good time. Not only having a good time because it's a warlock, but also having a good time because it's bountiful quests. It's a new experience. It's just all around. It's all around a fun time. I'm having a fun time, so I quite enjoy this. Ooh, and now I got that I can put out here. Demonology, health funnel. Yay, so now I can give health to my buddy when he needs it. I'm gonna try to skip most of these people because I don't think there's gonna be anything that's gonna be able to get me to level 13 here. Unless I just grind it for a while, which is no reason to do at level 12. So we'll get close to 13. I think that should be good enough for Silver Pine Forest. Silver Forest Pine should be a good location to get. We're just gonna find our way this way. It should be a good location to get ourselves quite a few levels. God, that is a fast cast now. Is this person just resisted like a motherfucker? Yeah, there. Dams. Alright, let's move on. Let's break our way in here. Alright, I saved that offhand. That's right. And that goes up to 60, doesn't it? Yep. And as I believe I mentioned before, we can sell all of our potions, because not only do we have health funneling abilities, but we also have health stones. So those are potions that we just get for free and unlimited of, pretty much. I'm actually going to need to join this person. There we go. Yeah, that was a good drain. It costs quite a bit of mana, so I don't really want to use it at every person. I might do that with health drain. It just depends how much mana that costs. But if I can just tap and then just drain all that health back anyways, doesn't really matter how much, how much it costs. Yeah, see that? We hit our Curse of Agony right before the cooldown came back up, and he cast it, and he did a bitch at me that I can't cast that yet. So we can do this. I think 0.8 really is the cutoff. I don't think 0.4 would be a good. Would be good. I don't think that would. I think that would be just as unhelpful as instacast. So there's that. There you go. That's my boy. That's my buddy.